Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are playing God of War Ragnarok and camera doesn't seem to be working on mouse, don't worry about it. I have some tips to fix this problem, so keep the video till the end and follow my steps. Go to the search bar and search here Task Manager. Click on it and go to the services. Click on it and search here game input services. Right click on it and then stop it. Wait for a few seconds and then right click again and restart it. After doing this, check your game. If it is not working, then close your game completely and then go to the search bar and search CMD. Click on it and type net stop game input services and then press enter. And next command is net type start and then press enter. After trying this, check your game. If it is not working, then try next. Next solution is Alt tab to exit the game and again start the game. Your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.